Alrighty, so I already poured these and kind of didn't want to deal with recording it. So I thought I'd do a fun video about unmolding it. So here we go. I UV resined the top of this. And so we'll see how that turned out. I've been curious about that, if it would work. And we'll find out if it does. Here we go. See if all the UV resin comes out with it. You ready? I'm gonna stand up so I can see. Oh my goodness. Just a little flaw right there. Otherwise, wow. I made a pink translucent and then I dripped in orange and white because I didn't know what I wanted to do, but that's what I ended up coming up with. So that is UV resin colored with alcohol ink. And then this was yellowish goldish yellow, brushed on. Wow. Okay, let's do the other side or the other part. Awesome. Now I'm excited. I was so worried something was going to pop off of it. And there is the other part, or the bottom. So there was just a little bit of white and orange, and then the base color that I put in there was a pale pink. What do you think? What do you think? You'll have to tell me in the comments. Would you do that with this mold? It took me multiple times, layers, took me quite a while, but I'm really excited about it. I think it turned out pretty good. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.